Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wanna Be a Supermom. So today is 8th March and it is Women's Day. So happy Women's Day to all of you out there. Happy Women's Day, madam. Say happy Women's Day.
For Sujata Aunty, happy Women's Day. We put new dress for dress.
What?
We put new dress for Sujata Aunty.
Oh, you are asking me to get a new dress for Sujata Aunty. So Sujata Aunty is none other than her ma'am. So they have a process like they don't call their teachers as ma'am or madam. So they call them as auntie. So I don't know what is the trick behind it.
No.
One minute.
Wait,
Okay.
Wait. English school is I want to say auntie. Why she? I want to say only auntie, not madam or no ma'am anymore.
Okay, so yes, I think that you all understood what she is coming to say. So once again, happy Women's Day to all of you out there. So
Happy Women's Day, all of you.
so we don't have any specific video today because it was so late for me. I didn't vlog anything in the morning, as well as I didn't vlog anything previously. So because we are doing daily vlogs, and yes, to all my viewers who don't know Tamil, that I have started doing a fitness challenge in some Tamil vlogs. So and that is going successfully like anything. So the fitness vlog is nothing but we are taking a challenge for a week. It can be the day from, I mean, if you are starting from Wednesday, means from that Wednesday till the next week's Wednesday. So it makes 7 days for you. So for 7 days you need to control yourself for any of the thing which you feel that you have to avoid for making your health better. So if you really wanna be in this challenge, then please do comment down in the description box by giving comments saying I am in. And if you can see that some of my previous videos there, I have got so many comments with I am in. So at the end of the week, they will be giving me a mail in my email ID saying that what kind of changes they have occurred during this during this 7 days of challenge. So yes, apart from that, I'm sorry, I think you can see so many mosquitoes here because in my place, in my home there, we have so much of mosquitoes, and that is the reason we are having this over there. Can you see that? A mosquito net. So actually we are all set to sleep right now. So yes, I don't have any big speech or any guest or any lectures to talk on Women's Day, because I don't think that one day can change our life. So at the end of the day, the role of a woman is nothing but to do her part of work which she has to do, both as a mom, as a wife, as a friend, or whoever she is. And because she don't play one role, two role, or three role, she plays many roles in her daily life for her family. So I'm not at that level to talk so much on this, and I don't believe in so much of women empowerment speech and feminism that much. But you might be seeing this video tomorrow morning, because I don't think that we will be able to like edit this video right now, because Mishi has school, and if I if I don't sleep soon with her, then she will also not sleep soon. So that's how the thing happens. So that's what I want to say is, these kind of Women's Day, International Women's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, everything will come, but then our day-to-day life will not go anywhere. We need to follow that. So yes, we can just wish each of us being proud that yes, we are also women who play so many of the roles in one single day, as well as that's all for the day. Keep you all updated with my fitness routine tomorrow.
Wait. See here, my mommy have one more video for me, and mommy has cute soft baby and cheeks. See here.
So yes guys, we don't have anything specific to talk on Women's Day because I don't want to give so much of big lectures on women empowerment or anything like feminism or something, because I don't believe on those talks that much. Those talks will remain for 1 day, 2 day, and then later it will go vanish. And at the end of the day, we ourselves know that we are not a weaker sex though, but we at the end of the day end up doing our responsibilities. So that's how, because we are in the culture where we have to do our responsibility, fulfill our responsibility. So I don't think that these kind of talks will go ahead so much. So yeah, I don't want to go with so much of disputing talks there. So she's getting bored, by the way. So yes guys, we don't have so much to talk because it's already 10:45 and it's time for Mishi to sleep. So I hope that you people are going to see this video by tomorrow morning, because I'll not be able to edit this video right now. It's bye from me. Till then, it's bye from me and Mishika. So bye.